Who's going first?
Oh no, I have to get into my post.
Go. Yeah. Quick, go. Next, Francesca. Next, Sophie. You can do whatever you want. Rachel. Joshua. Josh.
Who said they can't? It was Rachel.
Okay, go, quick.
Oh, I'm gonna do a cartwheel.
Whoa. Oh, Gabriella. That was very close to the edge. Okay, quick, go, Sophie, because I have to go in. Whatever you want to do. Wow. Wow. Okay, guys, watch the kids. I'm going to have a glass of wine with everybody, okay? Do you want to do one? No? Okay. Bye, guys.